Welcome to Quick Trivia Challenge. Let's begin. Number 1 question. How far can an eagle see a mouse? A. 1 mile. B. 2 miles. C. 3 miles. The answer is 2 miles or 3.2 kilometers. Number 2 question. How far can an elephant smell? A. 10 miles. B. 12 miles. C. 14 miles. The answer is 12 miles or 19.2 kilometers. Number 3 question. Which animal can hear the highest frequency? A. Bats. B. Dolphins. C. Greater wax moth. The answer is greater wax moth. It is capable of sensing sound frequencies of up to 300 kHz. Number 4 question. What animal is the toughest? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Water bear. The answer is water bear. Number 5 question. Which insect has the most toxic venom? A. Southern flannel moth. B. Blister beetles. C. Harvester ant. The answer is harvester ant. Number 6 question. Which animal is never sleep? A. Ants. B. Bullfrogs. C. Giraffes. The answer is bullfrogs. Number 7 question. How long can snails sleep? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. The answer is 3 years. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.